Hello everybody, my name is Aэлита Амановна. I'm from Қарасай Батыр school. I would like to tell about my profession. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher of English. So if look through the dictionary and find the word teacher, it means that he is a person who teaches, especially at school. But there is a much more which the dictionary can't describe. This word. A teacher in real life plays several roles as a guardian, as a caretaker, as an instructor, and a learning facilitator, mentor, and etc. She or he is our second parent, I can say. And that's a long list of responsibilities and academic developments that a teacher is expected to comply. As for me, I like my profession and English helped me in my life. And I dream it from my childhood to be a teacher. And I think it's the right choice because nowadays a lot of new professions, a lot of prestigious professions appear. So you need more and more knowledge, you need study and study a lot. For me, being a teacher is pleasure, and it's good to know that there is a child that adores and loves you and look forward your lessons. And I will more satisfied when I will know that they are learning things from me. I don't like to be adorable. Maybe English is just subject from school's schedule. But I think that if we look around, English is everywhere. Because even Kazakh kids of the age of 3 or 4 know English from the YouTube videos, from the games and from the cartoons. Even they know the words, what is Spider-Man, what means Iron Man, what means angry birds. So English even is in our wardrobe, it's in our fridge, and English in at the bathroom, English at the cinema, English at the shopping center, and English is everywhere. And if you know English, you can travel abroad, so know others' culture and better, and you can see the world. And if you know English, it increases your career opportunities. You can get any job with good salary. And if you know English, you can use computer, you can use internet and programs and apps without problems. And if you know English, you can make new friends. If you know English, and you can make new friends and a professional relationship. And a good teacher is someone who spends their whole life in giving quality education to their students. Education is considered as the most powerful weapon of the life to get victory and success. And in conclusion, I strongly believe that teachers need to show respect, care, become a role model, and make pleasant environment, guide students on the right and wrong. So instruct them politely and guide them through the road for success. And I'm proud of being an English teacher. Thank you for your attention.